Welcome to the Python tutorial on the print function. In this tutorial, we'll explore the use of escape characters, the set parameter, and the end parameter to enhance your print command skills. So first, what I'm going to do is show you how you can use the escape character so that you can have text show up on a different line. So first, like before, I'm going to use the print function, and I'm going to type out print. And then first, I'm going to type out some text. This text is it's going to be called, this is a new line. Then I'm going to put this in front of here. So this is a new line that's going to be printed. And then I have some second text that I want to print on on another line, on a new line. So I'm going to write some text. This is a new line, right? Or this is on a new line. So, but what I want to do is print this on a new line. So what I have to do is use the backward slash key, and then I'm going to use the end character. Now, by me using this backward slash key and the end character, I am able to have this appear on one line, and then I'm going to have this appear on the second line after this. So if I run this command, just like before, Python 3, and the name of my file is escape character.py, escape-character.py. I've created a new file, and I'm going to run this. So what you see down here in my terminal, it says this is a new line, which got printed first, and this is on a new line, which got printed second. But if I remove this, right, it all gets printed on the same line. So if you wanted to output some string, some text on a new line, what you can do is use the backward slash escape character with the N. Next, I'm going to show you how you can use the tab character, escape character. And then the tab character, it just adds space in between the first sentence or the first set of text and the second set of text that you want the space to be added to. So if you think about like tab on your keyboard, when you press tab, it adds like an indentation. It adds more space. So this is basically what I'm going to show you how to do. So what I'm going to come down here, I'm going to type out the print function again. And then next, I'm going to add some text. I'm going to add some text called this is a tab. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some text that says this is tabbed over. And then essentially what I'm going to do is use a backward slash, but in this time I'm going to use the T. And the T is basically going to stand for tabbed. It's going to tab it over. So basically this is going to be printed out, and then there's going to be a space that's tabbed, and then this is going to be moved over because it's tabbed over. So I'm going to run this again, and voila, you see this is a tab and this is tabbed over because we have a space right here. Next, I'm going to show you how you can print out double quotes. So just like before, I'm going to type out my print function, and then I'm going to add some double quotes. I'm going to type out this is a, I'm going to stop right here. Matter of fact, I'm not even going to put a colon, and then I'm going to use a backslash, right? And then I'm going to add um, a quote right there, and then I'm going to type out double quote, right? And then I'm going to use another backslash, and then I'm going to add my quote again. And then now, the fact that I've typed out this is a, and then I added a backward slash, then I added my double quote on the inside, right? And then I add the double quote text, because this is what I want to add the quotations to. Then I add my backward slash again, my backslash again, and then I'm going to add this double quotes and then a double quotes to close out the whole text. So if I print this out again, you're going to see this is a double quote in quotes printed out. So down here, if you see this is a double quote in quotes. And what I can do, I could just add some space right here, just so it's not bunched up together. So I could do something like this. Matter of fact, I think this would be better, right? Like this. There you go. This is much better to fix that. Yep. This is a double quote. Bam. So this is how you add double quotes in the print. Next, say if you wanted to add a backslash, just a simple backslash. What you can do is type out the print function like before. Say if I wanted to add a backslash towards the end, I could do something like this. This is a backslash, spelled it wrong, backslash, right? And then what I can do, um, this colon is mandatory. The colon is not something that you have to add. I just added. I'm going to add backward slash, right? And then another backward slash to add the backslash. So the backward backslash escapes and then it adds the backslash for me. So if I run this down in my terminal, bam, this is a backslash, the colon, the backslash. And that right there is a way of how you can use escape characters to control how your text is outputted to the terminal. In the next tutorial, we're going to focus on using the end and the set parameter in the print command function, which is the last little piece I want to show you when it comes to the print command, at least for now. See you in the next tutorial.